Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iagino. Again, thanks for all the comments, all the subscribers, people putting in ideas of what we should follow, people asking for updates on things. We really appreciate it and keep them coming. Update on NEO. NEO, we have 94.70. What did this get to? 94.68 before strong reversal. So you're just closing beyond the cluster here. I'm going to update this, but this is looking also sort of toppy right now. And it's because it didn't hit that 98.70, it does still qualify for a potential double top. It would need to get back below this 69.38, so we're a long way off. Just pointing that out because we're seeing some doubles in other patterns. Now this is acting still stronger, but it is losing some momentum. We have divergence after divergence forming. First key level we're watching, you can watch the 82.41. I'm going to be watching this 80.35 area with the 8 and this prior little top in here. See if we can catch a rotation back up. If we fall through their major support coming in at 75.54 to 76.28, that'd be the bottom of the rotation zone. And then if we fall through there and don't get a strong rotation back up, we're watching to the 50% retracement level, 70.15. Now, if you get a close or extended below 69.38, then we'll be looking the double of triggered, and then we'll be looking for the lower levels. I'm just going to let these know so you could plan accordingly. 61.62, major cluster at this 57.74 and 53.87. That does not; those triggers are not; those levels are not valid until this does trigger, and it doesn't ever have to trigger. Just letting people know, because if you haven't taken any off on this push up, especially with the divergences, you should at least know where your stop level is or where you're going to take some off, because you'll probably be able to get it back on lower if we do not hold the rotation zone. So keep that in mind. Now to the upside, again, we're just looking at the daily chart right now. To the upside, let's see, I'm going to move this up to the most recent swing, and which gives us, see, you want to try to do the most recent swing and the swing that started the move. That gives us 97.84. 100 is a major cluster and the nice round number, then 106.94. So those are the next levels, the upside, should we catch on this and rotate up strongly. Let's peek at the 4-hour chart to see if anything comes. Not much. Right at this 25% level, let me zoom in again. You might see some support at the bottom of this rotation zone. So you can keep an eye at this 82.41 level. But again, I'm going to really be paying attention closer to this 50 if we don't hold here, which is more corresponding to those levels I talked about on the daily chart. So we have for you on NEO. Checking in on NEM, XEM. So really hasn't been catching on the rotation zone. Waning momentum. It tried to make a little push, but immediately dropped back, brought in selling pressure here. Rotation zone's gone flat, means we're in consolidation on a larger time frame. So not much going on. Let's just really look at the larger time frame to get a bigger picture. So the key levels, the upside we talked about, are still here. 0.4688, 0.48. 481 to 485, and then 0.51. I'm really focused though to the downside. Right now it is holding the 8. If we drop below there, I'm going to be watching for a return to about 0.367 to about 371. And if that breaks and we get a close or especially key move below 0.35592, then this also has triggered a double top. And here's the levels: 0.3057, 0.2806, and 0.2554. So again, this is acting a little weaker. You can see waning momentum come down here. We did get divergences, higher high in price, lower high in RSI, and it continues to not be able to push higher. So watch for that potential bigger pullback and act accordingly, at least with stops or taking something off the table. So what we have for you on NEM, XEM, and NEO, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.